Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about spring capsule wardrobe. I have a few key pieces over there. I'll be sharing everything with you and also I'll be sharing how to style each item multiple ways. But first I want to say a huge thank you to Dozier for sponsoring this portion of the video. Dozier is a French perfume company which makes designer inspired fragrances starting at $29 only, and I think that is amazing. Even though the price is much less as compared to the luxury fragrances which costs more than hundreds of dollars, the quality of Dozier fragrances is absolutely amazing and they are super long lasting. They make perfumes for both men and women, and also they have a lot of unisex options. These fragrances are vegan, cruelty free and paraben free. So I got two perfumes from them just to test it out, and this is how the packaging looks like. Also comes with a card which talks all about the top notes, middle notes and the base note, and also it talks about the luxury perfume this one was inspired by. I love the fact that this brand also gives you a sample size perfume like this so that you can test it before committing to the full size one, and if you do not like it or if you are not impressed by the fragrance, you can simply go ahead and return it and get a new one of your choice, which I feel is super helpful. Fell in love with the simplicity of the packaging, and the fragrance is floral rose, and this one was inspired by Le Labo, and I believe it's a French word which I might be butchering, but anyway, this smells so good. It says that it's floral rose, but I believe it is more complex, but in a good way. It has a lot of other fragrance in addition to rose, so you can definitely smell rose in it, but it also has a little bit of spiciness and woodiness to it, which makes it a very unique fragrance and very beautiful. Next up, I have a men's fragrance from them, and this is Musky Ockmos, and this one was inspired by Creed Aventus, and oh my god, I wish you could smell this. This smells absolutely divine, and this is also super long lasting. If you are someone who is in the market to get a nice high quality perfume for yourself or even for gifting someone, I definitely recommend checking Dozier perfumes. They have so many amazing options to choose from and they are really affordable as well. I will leave the link to the website in my description box down below, and I'll be also writing the names of the perfumes which I got for myself, so feel free to check. Okay, so moving on to today's video, I really want to talk a little bit about a capsule wardrobe. So a capsule wardrobe is something which you can build with very few versatile pieces, and these items are key items which you can mix and match and wear in multiple ways. And if you guys know me, you guys know I love repurposing my clothing, and that is the reason why I love in investing basic classic pieces, because in my opinion trends come and go and classic remains classic, and if you invest in classic and timeless piece, it's going to last you for years to come. So since it's a spring capsule wardrobe, I wanted to incorporate a little bit of colors, as you can see, but the base of it is still classic pieces. So by classic I mean a classic white button down shirt, a white t-shirt, a denim which fits you right and you always feel comfortable in that. So let me show you what items I have today and how I style them. Okay, so I have an oversized denim jacket, I have a simple white t-shirt, white button down shirt, a tank top, blazer, and this is a suit, a longer summer dress, spring dress, also a shorter floral dress. I have a classic denim jeans. For accessories, I have two bags over here. I believe black bag is such a classic and we all have it. And if you are someone who wants to get a colored bag in their collection, I believe red is such a safest choice because it goes with everything. And even if you are wearing, like, let's say all black or all white outfit, red is really great to add a pop of color and it looks really nice. And I'm using three shoes. I'm using a nude heel, a clear heel and a white sneaker. Also want to show you these sneakers. If you guys have watched my previous vlog, you know that I ordered it, but then it was loose on me, so I had to get again. And this one runs a little bit big, so definitely size down. I usually wear 7.5 and this is 7, and this one fits me perfectly. Quality of this one is absolutely amazing. This one is heavy and it's leather, so I love the fact that the logo over here is very minimal and it looks really nice on feet as well. So definitely check it out if you are in market to get a nice high quality white sneaker. I will leave the links to all the clothing items which I talked about in the description box down below, and yeah, let's get started.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my